Here we come to another elevator at Brenham City Hall in Brenham, Texas. This one is an Otis LRV from 1986 with older Otis Series 1. That fan sounds awful. This reminds me of the one, this elevator totally reminds me of the one at Haynes Engineering at Texas A&M in College Station. Let's go back down to 1. And we'll end the video there. Here's your phone. This is the elevator James, I think he also recorded this as well. Also known as Bryan College Station Elevators and More. It's an Otis. Right, there it goes.